This is a great example of how to set up the dynamic effects functions of the GT8. We'll create a clean patch that will allow you to control the level of delay, reverb and chorus based on the position of your guitar's volume knob. So go into the Assign Variable menu and set the delay level from the Quick Assign preset as our first target. We will set the minimum to 40 and the maximum to 0. Now set the source to input level. Source mode will be normal. Repeat this step for the chorus and reverb. Make the chorus level minimum 100 and the maximum 0, with the reverb level minimum 20 and maximum also 0. Set the source for both to the input level. Now we'll set up the input sensitivity. Press the right parameter button to get to the end of the Assign Variable menu. You will arrive at the Assign Input Sensitivity page. Now, start with the setting at 100 and then turn your guitar's volume down at the point to where you want the change to occur. This works well for me around 7 to 8 on the guitar's volume knob. Slowly turn the sensitivity down until your change occurs. For me it's around 75 to 80, but of course this will differ depending on the output of your guitar's pickups. Now, when the volume is rolled off, you'll hear the delay, chorus and reverb, but as I roll the volume up full, the signal will be dry. Of course, you could reverse the minimum and maximum settings so that the sound is dry when you roll the volume down and wet when you're at full volume.